This thing is called a door garnish, and today we're going to replace mine because this one is broke. It doesn't really hold itself against the door. And the one on this side is really broke, snapped in half. In fact, the ones I got from the junkyard are not particularly wonderful, but they're better than this broken crap. Replacing these is not difficult, but if you don't know what you're doing, you're probably going to break them, and that would suck, and you would be lame. So let me show you how to do that. It's only got one clip that holds it in. We're going to start by rolling the window down. I'm going to open the door so we can get a better video of this. Take your door panel tool, a little screwdriver would work. Put it behind here and pop this out. Pop it straight out. Then it's got to go that way. It's got to go that way because it's got this window track in it that's got a hook back in here. This little clip is all that holds it in. There's only one. But it can't come straight out. You'll break it. Now to put one in, see the window track? Put the window track down inside the door. When you get it where these, and you get it where this top piece lines up, this bottom piece lines up, you just kind of pop it in. There it goes. I got one for the passenger side too. As you can see, the window track has been removed from my original one that was on the driver's side. And I don't know, whoever took that door apart couldn't figure it out. This one over here is broke too. I suspect that the window track has gone off of it or broken or something. I don't know. Let's pop it off and see. Tool back behind it, pop it out. All right, so what I suspected is true. The window track has gone off of this one too, and it's broke all to pieces. So whoever took this apart, for whatever reason, change a door regulator or whatever, didn't know how to get this off, and they broke it all apart, pulling it straight off. This is what it's supposed to look like. This is the window track, part of the window track, and it's got two screws that hold it on. Make life easy, you roll the window down. It gives us more room to wiggle stuff around. Let's start by putting this edge of the window track down in this corner of the door. Like that. It should look something like that. It's kind of got to rotate in and then snap in. So we want to get this rotation down first. That's kind of it right there. It kind of falls into place really with the window down. And we push that, then we pop in this, and that's it. It's really simple. And if you're removing it, again, you want to pry right here, straight out, and rotate it up. Okay? If you don't do it that way, you're going to break everything. And that would be lame. I am not lame, so now I have door garnishes that are not falling off of my car. And that makes me a happy boy. Like, subscribe. See you next week on Scavenger Type.